In the digital age, there has never been a better time to start an online business, and remarkably, it no longer requires technical knowledge, a large budget, or even a product of your own. One of the most passive ways to earn money online today involves building an e-commerce store that sells trending products automatically, with nearly every part of the process handled by artificial intelligence. It's a system that allows people from virtually any part of the world to tap into the power of online selling with very little manual effort. The best part about this method is how simple it really is. There's no need to appear on camera or promote yourself as an influencer. You also won't need to write ebooks, design original products, or spend hours clicking through survey platforms just to earn a few cents. This approach can be launched quickly using free online tools and can be operated from a smartphone or computer. The AI-driven technology behind it is designed to take care of all the time-consuming technical and creative tasks, freeing you up to focus only on guiding it in the right direction. The very first step in setting up this system involves identifying your interests. This might sound trivial, but it's important to work within a category that you actually care about or are at least somewhat familiar with. The easiest way to begin this process is to open a free document editor and brainstorm a list of 10 to 20 topics or activities you enjoy. These could be hobbies, lifestyle interests, or even things you find yourself talking about often. This list will help you select the theme or niche for your online store. Once you have your list, you can begin creating your store using a web-based AI tool that automatically builds e-commerce websites. The platform you use will prompt you to enter your name, email address, and a password to begin. After that, it will ask you to choose a niche from several preset categories such as fashion, pets, home improvement, electronics, or fitness. You'll want to choose the niche that most closely aligns with your list of interests. If you don't feel strongly about any particular category, you can allow the system to choose one for you at random. With your niche selected, the system will begin generating designs for your store's homepage. These include pre-made banner images and layout templates that you can preview and select. While these images and layouts are all high quality and professionally designed, choosing the right aesthetic can help your store appeal emotionally to your future visitors. If, for example, you chose the pet category and love dogs, you might select a banner with playful, friendly puppy images to set the tone for your shop. The store's foundation now needs to be hosted on an e-commerce platform that manages payments, orders, and customer information. Signing up for this platform involves creating an account and selecting your store's location. This process is supported in most countries, so no matter where you're based, be it the United States, a European country, or a location in Africa, you will likely find that your country is supported. Once you complete the account creation, the system will give you an admin URL, which is essentially your control panel for running the store. You should save this link for easy access. The next step is to connect the AI-powered builder to your e-commerce hosting platform. After doing so, you'll follow a few prompts to finalize your store's appearance. You'll have the opportunity to adjust the name of your shop, customize some basic settings, and confirm your site's layout. This is also when you'll make your store public. You'll need to remove any password restrictions that prevent outside visitors from seeing the store. After saving this setting, your shop is now officially online. With the basic store structure complete, the focus shifts to the most important aspect of any e-commerce operation, the products. Since the goal here is passive income, you will not be adding products manually. Instead, you will integrate your store with a product sourcing and automation service that automatically imports high-demand items into your storefront. These are often referred to as winning products, which means they are already proven to sell well based on current trends and consumer interests. Setting this up requires registering with the automation tool and connecting it to your store using the same email you've used throughout the setup process. The tool scans multiple marketplaces and selects products that match your niche. It uploads them to your site complete with descriptions, images, and pricing. It also manages inventory and order fulfillment. That means when someone purchases a product from your site, the automation tool communicates with the supplier and ensures the item is shipped directly to your customer without you needing to lift a finger. Now that your online store is live and fully stocked with products, it's ready to make sales. But in order for that to happen, people must first know your store exists. This is where marketing becomes essential. Even though the technical side of your store has been handled by AI, promoting your store will require a bit of your own creativity. The most efficient and cost-effective way to bring visitors to your store is through organic content, particularly via social media. Creating content related to your store's niche is the key to getting free traffic. If your store sells pet products, for example, you can post videos, photos, and short tips involving your own pets. These could include funny pet moments, grooming advice, or product demonstrations. The goal is to create engaging content that attracts the right audience. You can post on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube Shorts. Each platform allows you to add a link to your bio or post, directing users to visit your store. Another way to bring traffic to your site is by starting a blog directly on your store's website. Blog posts can cover helpful advice, product comparisons, lifestyle guides, or even personal stories related to your niche. This is a fantastic way to build credibility and attract search engine traffic. For instance, if your niche is home improvement, you might write a blog post about affordable DIY projects for small apartments and include product suggestions that are available in your store. These posts not only help visitors, but also naturally drive them toward your product offerings. You can also repurpose your blog content into video content using free video creation tools. If writing feels intimidating, you can use AI writing assistants to help generate article ideas, write drafts, or create captions for your videos. These tools can be prompted with simple commands like, write a blog post about common dog grooming mistakes, or list pet care tips for new puppy owners. From there, you can publish, promote, and repackage the content across multiple platforms. Visual platforms like Pinterest can also become a traffic driver for your store. By uploading images of your products, linking back to your site, and organizing your visuals into theme collections, you can attract potential customers who are already browsing for ideas and inspiration. If your store is focused on home and garden products, for instance, you can create image collections featuring garden design ideas, cozy indoor setups, or creative storage solutions, all of which can include subtle links to your own listings. Participating in online forums and communities related to your niche is another highly effective traffic strategy. Join groups on social networks or discussion websites where people ask for advice and share tips. Instead of aggressively promoting your store, focus on contributing valuable information. Answer questions, provide thoughtful insights, and when appropriate, share a link to a relevant product or blog post on your website. This builds trust and positions you as a helpful resource rather than a seller pushing a product. Once your store begins getting visitors and the first few sales roll in, the process becomes increasingly passive. The systems you've put in place, automated fulfillment, AI-powered design, and product sourcing, continue running in the background. As you refine your promotional efforts and learn what type of content resonates best with your audience, you'll find yourself spending less time on setup and more time watching your store grow. This model of online selling is particularly powerful because it removes the traditional barriers that prevent many people from starting a business. It doesn't require large upfront investments, complex technical skills, or hours of daily effort. Instead, it leverages modern automation and artificial intelligence to handle the majority of the work for you, allowing even complete beginners to enter the world of e-commerce and start earning income online. To sum it all up, this is a modern path to passive income that anyone can pursue with just a few hours of effort up front. The tools are free or very low cost. The process is mostly automated, and the scalability is unlimited. With creativity, consistency, and a willingness to promote your store using free platforms, you can transform an empty website into a fully functional business, all with the help of AI. That was all from us today for this video, folks. For more similar content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.